Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why are your earbuds so quiet? And the first one, you may need to clean a grill on your earbuds. And we have it, of course, right here at the top, and you can use a toothbrush. I'm just have this brush, so I'm going to use this, and you just clean your grill and it can fix this problem. Also, if only one earbud is quiet, we can change sound balance. Firstly, I will show it to you on this iPhone and then on Android device. So on your iPhone, open settings and then go to accessibility. Now you need to scroll down and we have audio and visual. So click on it and scroll down again. Right here we have balance. So to increase it for the right earbud, you need to move this slider to the right, and to increase it for the left earbud, you need to move it to the left. But once you increase this sound balance for the left earbud, let's say for the left, it will lower volume on your right earbud. So you need to know it. Now let's move to Android device. Also open settings, and then we need to find accessibility. Click on it and then scroll down. And right here at the bottom we have audio adjustment, and we need to tap on it. And here's audio balance. So it's the same as on iPhone. If you wanna increase volume level for the right earbud, you just move it to the right, but it will lower the volume on your left earbud. And you can also move it to the left earbud and it will lower this volume level for the right earbud. Now we did it. If it didn't help you, maybe your headphones just too old and you need to buy a new one. If all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.